Prophetic word fulfilled.
Leviathan, down! Praise God, he's also known as Neptune. That's Oshun-the. We rain fire upon the Neptune tonight. And the evil operation in the earth and under the seas and the Corandabasha and all his evil comrades and legions and his entire family.
So God, we send a mighty strike.
Soon be done. Jesus. We're commanding the storm. My God is with me.
It is Tuesday, October 28th, 2025. I'm meteorologist Brian Shields. Roughly around 9:30, 10 o'clock Jamaica time. As it is now making landfall, this has gotten worse. It is an even stronger system. Hurricane Melissa is now one of the strongest hurricanes on record. With that, winds are now up to 180 miles per hour.
Jesus.